Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the bird info card in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see right here, I have a quest to collect bird info card. And I'm going to show you guys how we can get the bird info card. If you want to get it, you need to unlock the bird watching hobby first. And after you unlock the bird watching hobby, you will get this scanner and you just need to find a bird. Okay, this is the bird and equip the scanner, and then you can click on this button to get the card. Okay, and let's close it. All right, I've already obtained one bird info card, and then we need to find another bird so we can collect the bird info card. Is this the same bird? Oops. Okay, let's capture it. All right. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the bird info card in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.